I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY glam Z Gallerie inspired glitter wall art. I hope you enjoy. I had these two craft canvases in my craft stash in my garage that I hadn't got around to using, but in today's video I've decided I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to start first of all by taking the first canvas outside. I'm going to spray paint the bottom black, and it doesn't have to be completely even across the middle, guys. It's preferred to have uneven strokes. Once the canvas is completely dry, you're then going to take some black and white craft paint and mix it together to create grey. You're then going to take a paintbrush and do jagged strokes across the middle. This by no means has to be perfect, guys. If you feel that the colour is wrong, go in and add some more white to create a lighter grey. Now, once I was happy with how it was looking, I then went in with a dry brush method where I just added a little bit of white paint, guys, dried it off on a paper towel and then added it randomly to the canvas.
I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
Once it was completely dry, now comes the absolute fun part, adding the glitter. Taking my Mod Podge, what I'm going to do is run a line across the top of the grey paint, and taking a paintbrush again, I'm going to do random strokes across the top. I then took this dollar store glitter and I'm going to run it randomly over all the areas of the Mod Podge. I then went in with my trusty hairspray. You want an extra hold hairspray here, guys, to secure the glitter in place. Now you will get some fallout here, but off camera I just dusted this off.
I can see that you're doing pretty well too. I guess we're good. let's agree to figure this out right now. Unless we both decide to let it go before we even try. I know we got a losing hand, but I want you to understand that this ain't got nothing on me and you. No matter how badly that we've been bruised, and maybe we can still be friends. Our story doesn't have to end. I'm sorry we got out in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we could still be friends.
Guys, I absolutely love Z Gallerie, but unfortunately we don't have it here in Australia. My overseas friends share the most beautiful glam glitter wall art from there. It is very, very expensive, and to ship it out here into Australia would be astronomical. So I wanted to show you that you could get the same look on a budget. You could have a Z Gallerie inspired glitter wall art for next to nothing.
I'm sorry we got out in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it.
When it comes to decorating my mantle, I absolutely love to layer different pieces on it, and I knew the size of this canvas would be perfect to layer on my mantle over my arched mirror.
I know we got a losing hand, but I want you to understand that this ain't got nothing on me and you. No matter how badly that we've been bruised, and maybe we could still.
Guys, with trying times upon us, I know that we have found ourselves with so much time on our hands, and I found that being creative brings joy to my heart and takes my mind off what's going on throughout the world. I'm hoping my little video will inspire you also to shop your own home, be creative, do that craft project that you haven't had time to do. Doing things that make your heart happy will definitely help you get through these tough times.
You got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves glam home decorating, DIY projects and inspirational ideas. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong.
So thank Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own Z Gallerie inspired glitter wall art. I would love for you to give me a big thumbs up, share the video as many times as you can, and I'd be so honoured if you'd hit that subscribe button and become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. Please stay safe, my beautiful friends. We will get through this. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of positivity from my beautiful auntie. My auntie always tells me, Chelle, yes, she calls me Chelle, Chelle, tomorrow is a new day, and how blessed we are to have each and every day, guys. Until next time, my friends, please take care, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.